In this video, we will see what is horizontal line test to check whether the given graph of a function represents a one-one function or not. Now let's see how we use horizontal line test. If horizontal line intersects the graph of a function at one point, then it is called graph of one-one function. Now we will apply the horizontal line test on examples. Consider the graph of the parabola y is equal to x square. If we draw a horizontal line on this graph, we can see that it intersects the graph at 2 points, which means that this graph does not represent the graph of a one-one function. So this function is not 1 1. Now consider another example in which the graph of y is equal to cube root x is given. If we draw a horizontal line on this graph, it intersects it at only 1 point. So it means that the graph of this function is 1 1. So it is the graph of a 1 1 function.